Earlier, we spoke with Alexis McGill Johnson. She's the president of Planned Parenthood, the leading provider of abortions in America. The organization also provides preventative care like birth control, testing, and treatment for STDs and cancer screening. We began by asking her which women will be most impacted by today's decision.
It affects people with low incomes, Black, brown, indigenous, people of color, folks who already are living at the margins. Those are going to be the people who are most harmed.
How many clinics across America from Planned Parenthood will be closed?
What I can tell you right now is happening is that affiliates, our health centers are fighting to get every single patient in that they can see right now before the state issues an injunction. What I can tell you is the devastation that every provider, every frontline staff member, the call center staff, the calls that they are getting in from the patients, the tears that they are hearing is absolutely overwhelming.
How many women do you think will be denied abortion services and will have to perhaps try and travel to another state?
Hundreds of thousands of women will be living in states that will be seeking access to abortion. They won't be able to get the care in the state that they need.
Justice Alito and the other conservatives wrote today in their majority opinion that this will not affect contraceptive rights. In the opinion, he said abortion rights are, quote, inherently different from rights regarding, quote, contraception and same-sex relationships. Is that how you see it?
No, not at all. We see state after state introducing incredibly extreme and harmful legislation related to criminalizing IVF, criminalizing IUDs, criminalizing emergency contraception.
Wait, so you're saying you already see some state legislatures
they're introducing these kinds of laws, yes,
to make it criminal to travel to another state
yes.
to get an abortion?
Yes.
What would be the effect of that?
We are seeing, people spying on each other, neighbors spying on each other, all to deny people the right to make decisions about their own bodies. And so the increased criminalization that can happen. And again, I'm not sure how they will enforce these kinds of laws, but these are the kinds of things that are being contemplated, and we have to be very alarmed about this.